See if we make a little pops. Ooh, okay then. Turn me up. That's what I do love about these hoes too though. They pop so easy, bro. I got a tune on that bitch. He said chill. That's crazy.
Damage.
Everybody wanna be hard. Wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun. Call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft. Can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up. When they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing. Riding in my car ain't stunning. I just be getting that bad.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Yes, sir. As y'all can see, man, we got the 10-speed mirror right here, man. What year this is? 23. A 23? Damn, boy. I thought it was a 21. My bad. Okay, you got a 23. Ooh, we got a 23, you know what I'm saying? The 23. It's it, man, with the red guts with the roof. As y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? Something slight, man. We finna get a little POV action. We'll get a little POV action, see the difference from the 10-speed and the, you know what I'm saying, the 8-speed bit body. But y'all let me know, man. Leave a like down below, man. And we're gonna get a little POV started, see what the difference is. Get y'all a little ins and outs. For people that be wondering what the 10-speed feel like, we're gonna find out today, man. So that's crazy. Ooh, see how they go, man. I sat in one of these. I drove one of these before, but yeah, I had drove one of these. I ain't do nothing but go down the street. What mode we in? I know you just did something. Oh, that man trying to go crazy. Okay. That don't. So put this seatbelt on, man. I know you probably don't wear your. I know you got yours on.
Yeah, I always do mine. I don't know why niggas don't be putting them bitches on.
Cause I'm bored. Dang, that window left. It is hard though, I ain't gonna lie. That's hard. This shit hard. We finna see what it be like, man. We finna do some smooth driving. You know, our granddaddy drive, you know what I'm saying?
Nah, crazy.
Nah. Yeah, in my car. Damn, that bitch feel. I ain't gonna lie, all rip, bro. You gotta have your eye wide open in that bitch.
Oh yeah.
God, boy. You cannot be sleepy driving this bitch, boy. Yeah.
Coming down the road.
Yeah, no.
And I gotta drive all the way back because them niggas stay making.
Oh, yeah. yeah, boy. Them boys leave your ass quick.
Right.
That shit crazy. As I can see, man, it would look like if I was in there, but look at my leg.
Damn,
I can fit in this bit though. It looks small. I can tell it's in the tractor steering wheel. Dang, it's but the windows, that's just crazy to me, bro. Like, all camera, this shit crazy. Then the camera hard too. Like, I see a car fly by. That shit fly. That shit hard, right? That shit hard, bro.
I always had like a night point of view where all the lights and shit be on.
Oh yeah. See what it be. They got 10 gear. It been in 5th gear and 40. That's crazy. See, we make a little pops. Ooh, okay then. Turn me up. That's what I do love about these hoes too, though. They pop so easy, bro. I got a tune on that bitch. He said chill. That's crazy. This bitch be floating. What the fuck? That's crazy. This bitch be floating, bro. I like the pop though. The pop hard. That shit sounds so good. So that like, what kind of exhaust you got? You got regular exhaust?
Yeah, stock exhaust.
But you gotta have some headers or something. What the fuck? Ain't no way. That's crazy. Ain't no way, bro. There's no way that stop, bro. Y'all let me know, man. I don't know, man. How the Camaro sounding like this stop, bro? I don't know, bro. Y'all let me know. This shit crazy. I ain't even think you gonna put that man in track. I think you gonna put that man in sport or something. I ain't gonna lie, the pedal feel different though. Like the throttle cat coming from the floor. That shit crazy. Cause you feel like you ain't pushing it for real. But nah, yeah, the pop's crazy though. Pop crazy. Yeah, they been making hella noise. I thought that was the car doing this shit. You been driving holding the phone on speakerphone. How you hold the phone in your ear on speakerphone? And you in the car by yourself?
That bitch still can't get me.
Man, ain't no way. You ain't got no tent here. You ain't gonna get caught. That's crazy. It's like, it feel like, I don't know, like, cause I ain't really even in that bit, but it do feel different, bro. It's a different for sure. It's a different for sure. That's not crazy. I just like them pops though. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get my car to get right, you know what I'm saying? All these damn gears. I ain't gonna lie, that first gear aggressive as. I like the heads up display too. I don't think y'all can see that.
Oh, change that bit to track.
What?
You can change the heads up display.
Oh, for real? How you do that?
It's on the side over there. You'll see it. It's the second one.
Like this?
It's over there on the actual, like, it's the second one, not that one.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
The HUD thing? The HUD?
Yeah, probably.
I don't know.
If you change it.
Hell no. This shit crazy. I gotta remember to keep holding the bill.
You won't see that.
That big ass truck. They be all on the line. It's like, I don't know, bro. Like, I guess it was this car versus mine. It's like, you feel that bitch trying to get right. Like, that bitch trying to go. Like, that bitch trying to, like, leave. My car, that bitch, first thing you want to do is dance. Then that bitch gonna leave.
No, they won't gonna try to. They gonna try to fuck with you because if you start slipping right now, what that bitter do, it'll just be like, oh, we trying to. Hold on, let me cut power. So they actually do all of it.
Yeah, that would,
Because we got no
yeah.
tires, so we just.
Yeah, that what it feel like for real though. Like, it's like the car be trying to drive for your ass. That's crazy, them shit, bro. Just imagine if you had some exhaust on that bit. That bit be so hard. And you gotta get some exhaust on that bit, bro. That bit be so hard, boy. I know you gonna go crazy though.
Yeah, see. Shit, I'm probably at least starting to just throw a kid in the bit.
Them pops crazy. It's like they just not precise pops, like they just be the same one. That's crazy. It's on slight, man. I ain't trying to. I may get one good little one first gear pull in. But this bit,
I got you.
I like this bit. Okay.
Go ahead, go crazy, go crazy.
See if I can give me a little pull in, man. Make sure no one ain't coming around that bit. Is that it, man? Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
Oh yeah, that bit, yeah. I need to feel that bit. I like that. Ooh, that bit.
Now do that second. Bring that bit all the way out, man. Don't be scared of that motherfucker.
I ain't scared. I'm just gonna let the car get right now. I don't be having my foot. I be having my foot like my car, cause your pedal different. I gotta. Damn, that car hurry up and go. I ain't gonna lie, yeah, that bit. It just feel like in control. You feel me? Like that bit more in control. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
And it take no turn like a champ, bro. I like that bit. That bit hard. That bit got some torque.
niggas.
Yeah. Pop crazy. Nah, it got some torque for sure though. That's the only thing I think different too though. Like the Mustang, y'all got more torque than they got. But y'all both got 10 speed. But like,
Yeah. I always get a Mustang off the jump though.
you know what everybody say, cause like that bit.
If we do it like any 40, oh yeah, it's up with.
Pop's crazy. But his steering get tight, boy. You try to turn that bitch.
Oh yeah. The lower the speed, but a tighter.
Yeah, that what it did. Like on me, that bitch like it wasn't that tight at first, and that bitch just trying to lock up. But nah, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I like that bitch. I fuck with it. I just gotta get used. I gotta get used to it, cause like the vision and then how that bitch fit. But nah, that bitch hard though. Especially on that last little pull, so I actually got to get, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Get a little something out of that bitch. I don't know, car crew, man. I don't know. That bitch. Let me know what y'all think. I like that bitch. I'm gonna show y'all the outside again though. It's a 2023, you know what I'm saying? Red guts, you feel me? I see the door. Ooh, 200 on the dash. Trying to be like that in the cat. Yeah, man, I see what we got going on, man. Something fly. I just want to do a quick little something, man. I ain't gonna go too crazy, my boy. We gotta get some tires anyway. Now, you know, we get some tires, you'll be all right. We ain't trying to, you know what I'm saying, hurt his ass.
Yeah, man.
But nah, this bitch, I rock with it though. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all comment down below, man, what y'all think about the S6. I know some of y'all drive an S6 that be watching, but let me know what y'all think, man. It be hard. Cause I was thinking about switching it up, but I don't know what I wanna do yet. But if I can't get no cat, so we're gonna see, man. What y'all can see though, you know what I'm saying? With the roof on the top. You got anything you gotta say, man? For the Chevy boys out there?
Everybody got down, just come get them motherfuckers. Come get them motherfuckers so I can go get ZL1.
Okay. He said come back and get it off on, man. Come get it off on.
They be getting twin turbo.
Okay. Ooh, talk to him nice. He said, I ain't gonna, you heard him, man. You heard him, man. But yeah, man, y'all come get it off my boy, man, so he goes ZL1. That'd be too tough, you know what I'm saying? By the time he goes ZL1, I'm gonna try to be cat by then. you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir, but yeah, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. We finna see what, you know what I'm saying, see what to it. But y'all stay tuned for the next video, you know what I'm saying? We got a little surprise, man. He gonna be one of the first one. You the first one, bro. You were the first one, but y'all stay tuned, bro. We got some stuff coming for y'all, boy, man. But make sure y'all keep hitting that like button. Get your boy to 10K, man, the quick way. And that's about it, bro. So I'm gonna holler at y'all, man.